A force called concentration. Focus on glass to be excellent. A quality called craftsmanship. Deep in details to be exquisite. A mission called empowerment. Achieving happiness to decorate the world. Excellence is a devotion to glass and concentrate on innovation. 30 years in glass processing industry to create every achievement with heart and record every change. On the way of developing, we measure the distance between our dream by firm steps to achieve self-transcendence again and again. Gathering experts team to provide the glass solutions for multi-scenario. Skilled frontline workers to escort for production and quality. Professional service team to ensure whole process service for clients. In technical services, order management. Excellence based on details to finish high-quality products. Continuously innovation to improve technology, management level, and expanding 2 major glass application fields. As a global innovator of customized glass, we have focused on jumbo size, heavy plate, thick plate, and complex glass for 30 years. Rail Transit Customized Glass. We created the brand of Glorious Shield and opened up a new raceway of platform screen door. We participated projects of Rail Transit Network and contributed our own strength for powerful infrastructure of country. We will try our best to be a card to show the image of intelligent made in China. We have created an exquisite process system, providing comprehensive customized services to meet the one-stop needs of customers. We approved international quality certificates and supplied reliable quality to global clients. We are widely recognized in the glass industry, participate in setting multiple glass standards, and obtain dozens of invention patents to explore more possibilities of intelligent manufacturing. Practice social responsibility. Draw up the blueprint with sincerity. We have digitized the entire process from raw materials procurement to product delivery, realizing full process visualization and traceability to provide better quality control and customer service. We have interconnected automation equipment to achieve intelligent control of the process, greatly reducing manual intervention and better guarantee the quality of glass. A series of landmark buildings and image stores erected by Glorious Future, decorated city and beautified our life. Towering into the clouds, witnessing the rise of infrastructure. Deep underground, the railway drive to all directions. Our footprint all over 100+ countries provided customized solutions for worldwide clients. We produce high-quality products with wisdom and explore the direction of glass industry. Develop of the times will never stop, skilled in excellence to open up the future. On the way to transformation, we look forward to work with more like-minded partners to move forward. Turning grand blueprint into glorious reality. Bring the excellent glass to all over the world.